Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a good old-fashioned tuna casserole. Another simple dish, feeds a lot of people, so that's what we're doing today, something very simple. Now if you don't like canned soups, by all means make your own. I have a can of cream of celery in there and a can of mushroom. And there was something I wanted to add there and I don't remember what it was. It'll come to me after a while, hopefully. But everything you need for this, I think that's what it was I wanted to tell you. I always put it in the description. It's always in the description what you need. Okay? And there we have some chunky light tuna. And this is a 12-ounce can. And water, drain it very well. Okay? Who grew up on this stuff? Put a little bit of black pepper, much as you want. It's so simple, hearty dish. It's really good. And the best part is it's cheap. Now I'm going to add my peas and carrots. You don't like them? Don't add them. Don't like carrots? You like peas? Add peas. Don't like peas? Add the carrots. Don't like them at all? Don't add none, right? Okay. Now I'm just going to give this a head start and I'm going to warm this up on the stove. Okay, I have my soups and my tuna, my peas and carrots there, and I did add a half a cup of milk. I forgot to add that in, so add that in with it. It'll be in the description, like I said. Now, I already cooked me up some wide egg noodles. I cooked me up 4 cups. This is 4 cups of noodles cooked. Well, it's like an 8-ounce bag. I had a 16-ounce bag. And I used half of it, so it's about 4 cups of noodles cooked. And just put those in there. Get you a pretty, well, I'm using a 9 by 13. And then just pour that right over top of your egg noodles. And my oven is preheated. To 375. Get it all out of there. Waste not, want not, right? Okay. Now I'm just going to get this all mixed up. Okay. Got that all mixed up. Now I'm going to add... Now you can put some breadcrumbs and add a little bit of butter, but I don't. Put many as you want in here. That's up to you. Just a little bit of breadcrumbs. I'm using parmesan breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to, pardon me, go in with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I don't have any fresh, so I'm using my grated Parmesan. And I usually do about 1/3 of a cup of this. Maybe a little less, maybe a 1/4 cup. And my oven is preheated. This is already cooked. So taste it here for salt, because remember the soup has salt in it already. So get it in the oven. You're going to cook it just till it's bubbly and you say, you know, it's hot. It's warmed through. It's ready. And get this cheese and stuff cooked on top of it. But in the oven it goes, 375, probably maybe a half hour. Depends on the ovens. Ovens vary. Okay? Okay, there is the tuna casserole. Mine baked, I think, 20 minutes. You'll just see it lightly bubbling around the edges. You don't want to go too far because it's already cooked. So I'll get some out. I mean, you know, the soup and all that was already warmed through. Your egg noodles were already warmed. Look at there. get there. My husband just finished telling me, put lots of black pepper on mine. See there, you can see it's nice and hot. I'm going to get a taste here with y'all. I'll get mine right out of the pan and stick it right back in the microwave. Won't I, Jesse? Stick it right back in the, when I take it from the oven or anything from the stovetop, I'll stick it right back in the microwave to make it even hotter. I love it. Mm-hmm. Now, oh, that's good. It's good like with a little side salad, if you want to have a little side salad with it. Mm-hmm. And it's so easy. So easy. But there it is. Everything will be in the description for this tuna casserole. But until then, I hope everybody's been doing well. And y'all eat well. There goes my little dog. And we will see y'all next week. Love one another. Take care of each other. And God bless. If I ever forget anything, I'll keep it in or put it in the description. All right, y'all take care. Bye-bye.